Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio cast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide Anindya Banerjee. Global financial markets में liquidity अभी भी thin है, जिसका मतलब है कि holiday season is not yet over and possibly from second week of January we will see the liquidity come back. तो इसके लिए currency markets are trading mostly flat. I'm talking about the global currencies. But India में the good news is the equity market has resumed its uptrend. A broad-based rally is underway, जिससे कारण Indian rupee is seeing a lot of demand, and that's the reason why dollar rupee is under pressure. 74.10 का low बना के it is now hovering between 74.30 and 74.50 के बीच on the spot. And sell-on rise remains the view. जब तक dollar rupee is not able to close above 74.50 spot and 74.65, 70 on the Jan and futures on a daily closing basis. तो मतलब अभी का जो स्ट्रैटेजी है और द ट्रेड अप्रोच है वो है कि जब तक 74.50 के नीचे ये सस्टेन कर रहा है ऑन द स्पॉट 74.70 ऑन द फ्यूचर्स यू कैन use futures to go short with adequate stop, or you can even do put spreads as well. But the moment the dollar rupee begins to, in case that dollar rupee begins to trade above 74.50 on a sustainable basis, tab don't be short, because at least technically the downward momentum, downward trend, wo will change and we may get into a consolidation or a slight up move. तो उस टाइम में क्या करना चाहिए? उस टाइम में the first trade that can be done if that happens is focus on selling options like strangles using weekly options or monthly options. So focus on selling options strangles, because generally क्या होता है जब एक sharp decline के बाद the trend changes, so most of the time it goes into a sideways range. तो उस टाइम में selling options is a profitable strategy. So to summarize, जब तक 74.70 on the futures and 50 on the spot के नीचे ये sustain कर रहा है, तब तक it's a sell on rise using futures, or you can do a put spread. But जैसे ही ये 74.70 के ऊपर जाके trade करने लगेगा and sustain करेगा, then you should change your strategy and focus on selling out of money options like strangles. इंटरनेशनल करेंसीज में फिलहाल बिकॉज ग्लोबली कोई हलचल है नहीं, इसके लिए इट्स गोइंग टू स्टे लार्जली रेंज बाउंड एंड लार्जली ड्रिवन बाय व्हाट इज हैपनिंग ऑन डॉलर रुपी. सो यू कैन से हाई बीटा ऑन डॉलर रुपी, बोथ द यूरो INR and GBP INR. Before I sign off, an important reminder in the new year that our Telegram community is growing very fast. And it's we can say is one of the most vibrant FX community on Telegram in India, if not the most vibrant. And we would, if you're not part of it, we would love to have you there. So kindly be part of the Telegram community. You will find the link on Twitter as well. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. Have a fantastic day ahead.